All right, you made it. Welcome to the course on beginning piano and music theory. So the purpose of this course is to try to get you to learn beginning piano and music theory as quickly as possible without any fluff, just a very compact and concise course. But basically what you want to do is we're going to cover different areas of music. We're going to start from the very beginning where we're just looking at the keyboard and figuring out what a note is. Just what's going on the keyboard, all the way to getting into beginning composition and music theory and how songs are created and how to think about that. So it's going to cover a pretty wide range of things, but it's all very structured. Every lecture, you're going to have to know this lecture before you get to the next lecture. It sort of builds on each other. It should go pretty quickly, but I think when you finish this course, you're going to have a very clear understanding of music and a really strong musical foundation that you can then build from. I'm excited to show you what I prepared for you, and if you're ready, let's go.